before I joined Remote Rebellion, I had my own kitchen fitting company in the UK, which I've been running for about 8 years. Kind of got a bit fed up with it and wasn't sure what else I could do, to be honest. I've always loved to travel, but it was always a case of earn enough money, save up, go away, have unpaid weeks, spend all my money, get back, rinse, repeat. So I started looking for online jobs. I was searching through LinkedIn, Googling remote jobs. Just didn't really find myself getting anywhere. I thought remote working was maybe just a pipe dream rather than a reality. I started to feel a little bit bummed out. I didn't actually think I could make it happen. I had a friend that actually recommended Remote Rebellion as a potential possibility of really stepping up my efforts in remote work. Yeah, Remote Rebellion Academy, Work Academy, actually opened my eyes up to things that I could do, things that I should probably focus on. It really gave me a insight into it could be a possibility. Helped me figure out what work I could actually do remotely, even though I wasn't the most tech savvy person. Michelle, Remote Rebellion, really, not only is she super helpful, she's super friendly, and to be honest with you, just didn't make me feel stupid in really going after the whole remote working possibility. I went from feeling super discouraged to actually really optimistic. Not only optimistic, it was just nice to have somebody give you a helping hand, and sometimes you do need just another person to kind of give you the confidence and just give you the direction you need. Just after a few weeks, I managed, after a few interviews, I managed to actually land 2 freelancing jobs doing SEO and copywriting, all with the help of Michelle, Remote Rebellion. I mean, I can't thank her enough because it's absolutely changed my outlook, my remote working. As you can see, currently on the beach in Phuket, Kata Beach. Yeah, I mean, I've gone from building sites in the UK to beaches in Phuket, Thailand, so I think that's evidence in itself. I can't recommend Remote Rebellion enough. The community is great. Michelle's been absolutely brilliant. Her expertise is second to none. And as you can see, I've got exactly what I dreamed of. So if you are looking for remote work, Michelle at Remote Rebellion is definitely, as you can see, the person you need to speak to. Peace.